Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to for today's virtual lesson on Technique 51. My name is Teacher Ella, one of your instructors for this session. I hope you're all ready to dive into some exciting learning. Okay. For the pointers of view, we will look at for the situation example, vision looking dance or the strategies examples, the radar, and the evaluation question. Okay. So for the example, Miss Napintas, a fourth grade teacher, notices that one of her students, Rigor, is struggling with math problems. So Rigor seems frustrated and disengaged during lessons. So Miss Napintas decided to observe Rigor's behavior and learning habits more closely. So as for the observation of Miss Napintas, Rigor has difficulty in understanding math problems. So, for the importance of observation, Ms. Napintas identified specific learning needs, informed targeted interventions, and improved student outcomes. Okay. So, for the radar, it's constantly seeing and preventing non-productive behavior, an act of self-discipline and make habit defense against blind spot, and constantly intentionally observing. So this means that establish clear classroom and rule standards, and it addresses non-productive behavior promptly. Okay. So as we go on, observation as low simple node and a tilt of head. Okay. For the example, the invisible column, teacher moves her head slightly to the side after giving directions to make sure her students follow. So, observe students' posture, body alignment, and personal space. So, for the tiptoes, stand for a moment in front. Watch how students move around the classroom, enter discussions, or approach tasks. It encourages purposeful movement and transition. So, the sprinkler snaps back a few degrees in the direction, observes how students engage with multiple stimuli, prioritize tasks, and manage time. This teach strategies for prioritization, time management, and attention. The disco finger teacher traces the track of her gaze in a swivel with her finger outstretched and pointer style. So this observes students' hand and finger movement, gestures, and nonverbal cues. It encourages expressive movements, role-playing, and creative activities. So for the politician, walk on stage in front before big speech. This observes students' problem solving, decision making, and critical thinking skills. This encourages inquiry-based learning, brainstorming, and reflective thinking. So for the QB, the quarterback, it observes students' problem solving, decision making, and critical thinking skills. It encourages to identify students who may need support with analytic thinking, creativity, or risk taking. So for the conclusion, observational learning can help students in getting better at academic skills. This way, they can improve their learning strategies to achieve their learning outcomes. By incorporating these observational techniques into your teaching practice, you'll gain valuable insights into your students' behavior, social interactions, and learning styles, ultimately enhancing your teaching and support. So, now let's test your understanding with a few quick evaluation questions. I'll ask the question and I want you to pause the video to think about your answers. Ready? Here's the first question. Alright, the answer will be okay. Thank you everyone for listening for today's video.